Hi, and welcome back to We're Reading Virtual Storytime for March 1st, 2021. Today is National Pig Day. In honor of National Pig Day, we're going to read Happy Pig Day by Mo Willems, and we're going to make our own little piggy face. Enjoy! Happy Pig Day by Mo Willems. Gerald! Gerald! I am so happy. Today is the best day of the year. Today is free ice cream day? No, today is Happy Pig Day. Happy Pig Day? Yes, Happy Pig Day, the day of the pig. It's the best day to have a pig party. It's the best day to sing pig songs. It's the best day to dance pig dances. It's the best day to eat pig food. It's the best day to play pig games. It's the best day to say, oinky, oink, oink. That means Happy Pig Day in pig. Ooh, I did not know about Happy Pig Day. Look! Oinky, oink, oink. Oh, my friends are here. Oinky, oink, oink. Oinky, oink, oink. That is a lot of pigs. Oinky, oink, oink! Oinky! Oink! Oink! Isn't this great, Gerald? Gerald? Are you okay? I am sorry, Piggy. I have a trunk. I have big ears. I am gray. I do not have a snout. I do not have hooves. I am not pink. I want to say Happy Pig Day in pig, but I am not a pig. I am an elephant, and I do not belong. Oh, Gerald. Happy Pig Day is not just for pigs. Happy Pig Day is for anyone who loves pigs. What do you say to that? I say, oinky, oink, oink! Happy Pig Day to everyone. The end. Okay, to make our paper plate pig, we need our pig parts complete. We got a nose, a snout, ears, and a mouth, which I've already cut out. You need some googly eyes, or you can cut out some eyes. You need a pink paper plate. You need some glue. This is just like an old condiment bottle, like a ketchup or mustard. Got it at Dollar Tree. I filled it up with glue to make it easier. It's easier to squeeze than a regular glue bottle. You need scissors, of course, to cut everything. And then This is like the grass you put in the baskets, or you can put in decorative grass and put in jars. There's a whole lot of it. We're going to use it to make this textured, but I don't think we'll need it all. So we'll see where we go. So the first thing I'm going to do, just because this grass is going to get out of control, is I'm going to go ahead and glue on the ears. Put some glue on the bottom. See how it comes out real fast. One here, there. You can't see it. One here, there. Sorry, I really need a tripod. Okay. One here, there. So that's ready to go. And the next step is I'm going to put glue all over this sucker. This grass is thick. That's just to make it fun looking. So I'm just going to press it down. You're going to get glue on your fingers. You might want to have a damp paper towel nearby. Now that's probably more than enough. You can use the scissors if you want to cut it down some. I just want to make it nice and fluffy. Figure. If you're gonna do it. Go the whole way. Make it big and fluffy. Okay, so you can see I have all this grass left over. I'm gonna put that away and either use it for something else or maybe create a nice little jar. And I'm gonna put some glue just because it's gonna dry on the top to seep through, because we want it to stick to the plate. Now the next thing I'm going to do is place my snout. You want that pretty much in the middle. That'll tell you better how to put your nose and mouth. Now the pictures I saw of this online, where I got the idea, didn't have a mouth, but I thought some of the kids might be upset if we didn't, so I created this with just on Microsoft Word with shapes. And it's just two ovals. So we have that, we have that. And I'll try to get the eyes on so you can see them. One eye up here. See? Hopefully they'll stick. Probably should have put something down because I got glue all over the table. That's okay. Put that there to stick. And then we're just gonna let this dry. There's a lot of glue on this, so it might take an hour or two. No. We're just gonna let it dry, and then I'm gonna take a picture of it when it's done. So that's all you do. You just glue on all the parts, make them nice and fluffy.